Hey family, it's your girl Soph B here. Hopefully you can hear me. I put my mask on because I'm about to get out of the car. I am actually going in for my consultation for my locks, so I can't wait for you guys to see. I'm gearing up for my new journey. Today is Tuesday, March 22nd, maybe? I don't ever know what day it is, so yeah, so stay tuned and I'll get more detailed later. So my initial install date was the weekend of May 8th and 9th, Mother's Day weekend. This was my gift to myself. And when I tell you, my new Sisterlocks consultant was fast. This was by the end of the first day. She had literally completed almost my entire head. And I think we did about 9 or 10 hours this first day. And by the second day, I think I only had 5 hours. I'm already running late, but I'm on my way to get my first retightening. And I'll talk to you in a minute. Now, my first retight was 2 weeks after my install. That is because, after you do your first wash, she wants to basically see how your hair is doing. And it went by really quick. Okay, I am back. Okay, so listen. My new loctician, the real deal. So this was my first retightening. I got my Sisterlocks 2 weeks ago. So the difference between this set of locks and my last set of locks, I'm much more happier this time. I'm more content with my grid. Like, that's already number one. And number two, my retightening only took less than 2 hours. My retightening, my first set of locks, was taking 5 hours. So I definitely have not been consistent as far as recording goes. Life has been pretty hectic. So today I had my third or fourth retight. I think it was my fourth. So leave me any questions, and I know I need to get more detailed, so I'm going to do that in another video.